Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm Ross. I'll present few slides on my company, Tower Insurance. Today, I am here to create a performance management plan for Sophie. Tower Insurance is the insurance company which was formed way back in 1869. It is a government insurance-owned company which was named as Government Life Insurance, and it was renamed as Tower Insurance in 1987. And Tower Insurance undertook Australian companies and New Zealand stock companies in the year 1999, and they got separated in year 2006, November 2006. The leadership style used for Sophie to motivate her employees is participative leadership style. In participative leadership style, she should indulge in decision making as a group, and which will help the employees of Sophie to work in a better and efficient way. Provide information. Everyone working in the firm should include in the decision making. The Sophie should keep her views, and the employees of the firm should keep their views, so that they can share their ideas in a proper manner, and they can have effective decision making in the firm. All the ideas and the information which are kept together will have an effective impact on the performance of the firm. The performance management approach for Sophie's team. It is strength-based approach which is used for Sophie's team. This approach basically focuses on the strength of the firm, and which will state that the team of Sophie should focus on the strengths so that they can have a better outcome. The first step is that they should be goal-oriented. They should focus on their goals so that they can achieve the target. The assessment of strengths is the second step, which states that the team of Sophie should analyze their strengths and work upon it so that they can have a better outcome. Environmental strengths for goal attainment. They should analyze the environment for the attainment of goals, and different views of the team of the firm should be kept so that they can have a good and effective outcome. Coaching process for Sophie. Coaching process of Sophie is that she should build a good relationship with Ross as he is a training manager. Supporting and encouraging. Ross should be supportive and encouraging to Sophie so that she can work in an effective way, and she can overcome the challenges which are faced by her and turn her weaknesses into the strengths. And she should have proper interaction with Sophie so that there is proper questioning and she can clear her doubts. And there should be proper evaluation so that she works in an efficient manner. Management tools, performance management tools, which are for Sophie. There are two performance management tools which are used by me. First is the 360-degree feedback, and second is the performance management framework. 360-degree feedback states the overall outcome, which is assessing overall impact, overall feedback of Sophie, and performance management framework is assessing the performance of Sophie. These are the effectiveness of the management tools. The 360-degree feedback will help me to know the capability of Sophie and analyze the weakness of Sophie. This 360-degree feedback would help me to raise the confidence of Sophie so that she can work in a better manner. Performance management framework. It is an assessment of Sophie towards her team, that how she is indulged towards her team and how effective she is on her team. It helps in managing the performance of the business and helps in setting up priorities that what should be done first and what should be done at the last. Self-motivation. This is my self-motivation. I should be committed to my goals, for which will act as intrinsic motivation to me. I should be dedicated and I should work on my weaknesses so that I can have a better outcome. I should have positive behavior towards Sophie so that she also evaluates her performance and increases her performance. These are motivation theory, which is applicable to Sophie. I have opted for Herzberg's theory, which is a two-factor theory. The Herzberg theory has two factors, which is motivation factor and hygiene factor. The motivation factor will help us in achievement, recognition, and advancement, which is for the performance of the firm. And hygiene factor increases job satisfaction. It helps in supervision, and helps in building up relationship with the employees. The professional ethical behavior. There are some professional issues which are faced by firm, that is faced by Sophie. First is no relevant experience and lack of motivation in dealing with the employees. The professional behavior which should be opted by her is that she should be respectful at the workplace, and she should have a positive attitude towards her employees so that she works in efficient manner. The ethical issues which are faced by Sophie are poor performance by Sophie and complaints by the clients that she is not working in an effective manner. She should work upon her outcomes, and ethical behavior which should be used by her is individual and workplace relationship, and which is important for effective and efficient manner, performance of the firm. Treaty of Waitangi is a treaty which was signed between the Maori and the Britishers. It includes three factors, which are participation, partnership, protection, participation. Partnership states that there should be a partnership of Maoris and non-Maoris within New Zealand. Protection states to protect the Maori language, which should be done by few tasks to learn Maori language. And participation is that every Maori individual should participate in the decision making of the firm. Challenges in the global context and management techniques. Challenge which will be faced by tower insurance in a global context would be that exchange rate of currencies while selling the insurance would increase or decrease. So it can affect the performance of the firm. And the management technique is that the economists of the firm should analyze the proper time at which they should sell the insurance, and analyze the exchange rate of insurance and currency properly. Alignment of Sophie and company's goal. Training would be the key to success for Sophie, and the new innovations are the key to success for the travel insurance. Sophie will be beneficial for the firm if she works upon her training process, and this will help in alignment of company's goals and her personal goals. This will bring stability in the team and increase the efficiency of the business in the market, which will enhance their performance in the market. Yeah, the references used by me. Any questions?
Alright, thank you. Okay, Sashi, let me just go back to your performance management tools. Okay, so you have identified two performance management tools. My question would be, if you're going to apply this to the team of Sophie in order to gauge the performance of her team, how are you going to do that? The 360 degrees feedback and performance management framework.
If I apply 360 degree feedback for the team of Sophie, I'll analyze what are their strengths and what are their weaknesses. When I analyze those weaknesses, I'll use performance management framework to overcome that. I'll prepare a proper plan, which will help me to overcome those issues and weaknesses of the team of the firm.
How will you generate the feedback when you say 360 degrees feedback?
I'll analyze their performance by once I have trained them. I'll analyze their performance on their daily routine, that how they are performing in the firm, and I'll implement this feedback by analyzing their weaknesses in the firm.
Where does it came from? Where did you get this feedback? From where?
By analyzing their performance in the firm.
From whose feedback are we going to gather? From whose feedback? Because that is 360 feedback, right? It's feedback.
Yeah.
But where will we get those feedback in order to enhance the performance?
We get the feedback from the staff, the management which is working.
Alright, from the staff, what else?
The management which is working with them.
Alright, Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's good. Thank you. Now, going back to your motivation theory, can you go back to your motivation theory? Now, you said that this is the theory that you are going to use as your guide in order to coach Sophie, which is good.
Yes.
Now, can you tell me a little bit detail about the motivation factor?
Yeah.
That motivates.
Motivation factor is a factor which is an intrinsic factor, which will help Sophie to increase her performance in the firm. If she would be motivated by a recognition in the firm, she will automatically work well. That she and her performance will evaluate.
Okay, aside from recognition, what else?
Recognition.
Achievement. How she's going to achieve that?
She can achieve it by self-motivating her. By if she is recognized in the firm, she will definitely be motivated to achieve that goals.
What about advancement?
Advancement. While she is working in the firm with a positive attitude, she will learn many new skills which will help in her advancement.
All right. Okay, that's good. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, Sashi.